Hi, I am attorney Larry Berren, and today I'd like to speak to you about the probate process, when it might apply to you, and the steps that you can take to avoid having to go through it. The probate process has everything to do with ownership of assets. When we formed our society a long time ago, we said that ownership was important. Without it, we would have total chaos. So you get to own your things, I get to own my things. This is my pen. It has my name on it. I'm free to trade it, sell it, give it away, do whatever I want with it. Don't even think about it. It's my pen. We like this very much. This works for us until something happens to me. If something happens to me, either I die or I become mentally incapacitated because my name is the name that's on the pen, and we said nobody else could be doing anything with it. The pen is effectively frozen until somehow we can strip my name off the pen, get somebody else's name on the pen. And the only authority that we recognize in our society that can strip my name off my assets is a probate court. And so what happens is we have these assets that are frozen because the person whose name is on it has either died or is mentally incapacitated. And kind of like a car wash, it goes through this process. If I've died, my name gets scrubbed off. If I have a will, my executor's name gets put on it, out it comes the other end. And now my executor is free to get it back into the stream of things. Of course, the probate court keeps the executor on a short leash. Immediately after coming out of this process, the executor needs to report to the probate court an inventory. So we need to list out everything that the person owned at the time of his death. If the probate lasts longer than a year, we need to do accountings for the probate court. How much money has come in, how much money has gone out. It's a fairly labor-intensive process for the executor, and it's fully public. Everybody knows it. So in the case of a mental incapacity, we have the same process. Goes through this probate. My name gets scrubbed off. If I'm here but not able to handle my affairs, someone in my family who has come forward to be my guardian, their name gets put on it, and out it comes the other end. And once again, the guardian is on a short leash with the probate court. In fact, an even shorter leash, because now it's the guardian's job not just to protect the assets and oversee the assets, but to spend them for my benefit. So again, it's a public process and reporting requirements back to the probate court annually. Every dime that comes in, every dime that goes out. There are ways to avoid this process with proper planning.